is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss module number 44 of Beginners Goes to Java Programming Language, and the topic we're going to discuss today is called Java Linked List as a queue. So we're going to execute a program in Eclipse IDE. So let's switch to the IDE, viewers. So here we will click on this Java project over here, and we'll type the project name is Java Linked List as queue, name of the project. Click on the next button. Again, clicking on the finish button. Here we'll type the name of the module as main, and then click on the create button. So here we have this project over here. So we'll right click on this module, delete it by pressing OK button, and click on the src folder. Go to the new option. From here we will click on the class. Here we will type the name of the function as main, name of the class is main, clicking on the public static void main checkbox to ensure that it will create a main method in the program. Clicking on the finish button. Now we have this layout. So here we'll type the description of this program. This is a Java linked list as queue is used. So we have this class main, we have public static void main. Under this we will first type queue string, languages, name of the linked list, new linked list. This is what we have been doing so far for creating linked list in Java. This is how they are defined. Now we will type a comment add elements, and then type languages, name of the linked list, add, and type method Python, name of the language, close in double quotes, and have languages. So there's a typing mistake, just going to correct over here. Languages dot add, and type Java, close in double quotes, name of the programming language. One more, linked list with add method, languages dot add, and then type C, name of programming language. One more, then we will type system dot out dot println, and type and close in parenthesis linked list colon, and then plus languages. Now we will type one more command access to access this all the first element. Now we'll type string str1, name of the variable, equal to languages dot peak. This is what we have been discussed to return the first element in the queue and DQ method, and then type system dot out dot println, close in parentheses, we will type access element colon space plus str1 just to access the first element. And now we'll type one more command in the program, type access and remove the first element. So under this section we will type string str2. We will use one more variable with the name str2 and the type is string, and here we will type languages dot poll. So I'm going to type why the peak actually used. I'm going to type a comment over here that peak will return the first element, or we can call it head of the linked list. So we have used poll, and so this is how we have defined over here. And here the poll method is used. Poll will return and remove the first element from the linked list. So after assigning poll method to the variable str2, now we will use system.out.println, and close in parentheses we will type removed element semicolon space and then type plus str2 like this. Now we will type system dot out dot println, and now we will type linked list after poll method plus languages. Now we will type one more command, and for this we will add element at the end. So for this we will use offer method we have discussed in the last video. So here we will type languages dot offer, and here we will pass the parameter as Swift, and then type system.out.println and then type linked list after offer parentheses colon space plus languages. So you can see that our program is error free, and now I'm going to explain first I'm going to execute this program. Will show you the execution line by line. So I'm going to go to the run section, go to the /run as, clicking on the Java application. So you see the output of the linked list Python Java C. This was the first add method used to add the elements in the linked list. That was name of the programming language, the Python, Java and C in a sequence. Then we have used the peak method. So peek method is used to return the first element head of the linked list. So you can see the accessed element we have used with the peek method was str1, which contains the Python was the very first element, and then remove element. So actually it is called removed element because the element has been removed, so we will use removed elements. I'm going to run it once again. So the accessed element was Python, which was actually accessed by using the peek method, which will actually return the first element of the linked list. We can see Python as return value, and the poll method has been used with the linked list, and we have assigned the str2 variable, which is a string data type, and this poll method is actually return and remove the first element from the linked list. It actually return the element from the linked list. Python is removed. Now you can see linked list after the poll. Now you can see the language is the name of the linked list. So this linked list now contains Java and C because the Python has been removed. And now the add element at the end, we have used Swift. Now Swift has been added as with the help of the offer. So offer method is actually used. So I'm going to type parentheses because these are all methods. So parentheses always need necessarily to be added with all the methods. So offer actually adds the specified element at the end of the linked list. So if I type Swift, instead of Swift, if I type C#, or you can type .NET, then you can see .NET instead of Swift. So I'm going to replace Swift with the name .NET. I'm going to run it once again. So you can see .NET over here. So whatever you type over here with the offer will be typed over here because it is used to add the element at the end of the linked list. So we have this linked list. Python has been run, and Java takes the position of the Python, C takes the position of Java. Now .NET is at the third place. So actually the linked list always starts from 0 memory location. Python was at 0, Java at 1, C at 2, so there are total 3 elements starting from the 0. The value is 0. So this is how we can use Java linked list SQ. In our next program we will discuss how to use linked list as DQ in Java programming language. That's all, viewers. Thanks for watching.